Welcome to another exciting video. I'm Tanzir from Doplac.com, and today we are gonna dive something super cool. Doplac.com RSS Campaign feature. Stay tuned till the end because by the end you will be the master at staying connected with your audience effortlessly. RSS stands for really simple syndication. Think of it as a news feed for your content. When you have a blog post, podcast, or any regular updated content, RSS works like a live stream. It delivers your content directly to your audience inbox. Simply, it keeps your audience in the loop without them having to check your website or content regularly. It's like having a personal assistant helping you save your time and delivering your content directly to your audience inbox and keeping them engaged with your audience simultaneously. All right, let's jump into the magic of Doplac.com RSS campaign feature and see how you can automate your content delivery and engage your audience simultaneously. So head over to email marketing, then click on RSS campaign, and here it is. Just click create RSS campaign. You have to give your RSS campaign a name. I'm giving it test campaign. You can choose whatever name you want, and you have to choose your SMTP provider. I'm going to choose my SMTP provider. There's one thing, actually, if you are sending your content to a bulk amount of lead, then we'll suggest you to use our SMTP routing feature that will help you increase your deliverability and let you more in inbox. SMTP routing feature is a feature that you can use several SMTP provider in a single campaign. So if you don't know how to use an SMTP provider, or if you need to know a little more about our SMTP routing feature, and I'm going to add a video to the I button or in the description below. You can check it out. Okay, I have chosen my SMTP provider, then I'm choosing my sender details. Okay, if you want to add any reply email, you can do it here. I'm gonna add my subject line here. I don't know. I'm not gonna add any preview text here. Okay, just save and continue. Here's the condition. Okay, you have to provide your RSS feed, your golden ticket here. So I'm gonna choose my RSS feed URL. And then you have to choose your sending frequency when you want to send your content. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly. You can choose even specific time and time zone. When you are choosing weekly, you can choose specific day when your content will be updated. So you can choose specific day to send your content to your audience, specific time range and specific time zone. So I'm going to choose that random time zone, but we'll suggest you to choose the perfect time zone based on your audience. Just save and continue. And here you have to choose your contact list. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, save and continue. And this is the things actually I'm gonna send my audience. So you can edit your SMTP feed, SMTP, change your layout from here. You can change the layout, whatever layout you want. I think this one will be perfect for me. Or this one. Okay, this one is much better. And here is a lot more option than you can control. You can, if you have emails, if you don't want to send emails, then you can turn this button off. And if you want to hide the date, then you can turn this button off. And there's a lot of things that you can edit, and you can customize your SMTP, your RSS campaign template. So that is when you are ready, just click save and continue, and then forget it. The Doplac will take your rest and save your deliver your content to your audience at the right time when your content will be updated. It's all about staying connected with your audience in a meaningful way. Keep them in the loop, keep them engaged, and there you have it all. So your RSS campaign is ready. Your self-subscriber will get fresh content every time, and you can focus on creating content, not just hitting send. It's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question or want to share your thought, leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more update from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching.